Hello. Can you prove it? Root 7 is an irrational number. Yeah, let's we try to prove it. So my dear students, this is very important question for the CBSE board examination class 10th, and I have taken a single question video as a project because we can say in Hindi boond boond milke bane sagar. One by one question if you learn, then after some time you have a big collection of learned question. So this is very easy trick to get good marks. Let's we start now. Let us assume to contrary that the root 7 is a rational number. Okay, if we let it a rational number, then we have to write here a and b are co-prime. If root 7 is equal to a upon b, so inside the bracket if you want, otherwise it is sufficient to write there co-prime positive integer and such that root 7 is equal to a upon b and b is not equal to 0, right? So when you cross multiply, then you get a is equal to root 7b, then the squaring both sides, so a square will be a square, root 7b whole square will be 7b square. Take equation number 1. So taking the help of the theorems which is given in the real number chapter, theorem is if 7 divides a square, then 7 divide a, right? This is very important theorem to apply here. Why? Because if we write 7 divide a square, then 7 divides a, then we can declare 7 is a factor of a, correct? Now let's we take here, we can write a is equal to 7c. Why 7c? Because 7 is a factor of a. So we write here 7c, maybe another number, constant number, where c is an integer, right? So putting the value of a is equal to 7c in first, so 7 7 is 49, because first case was a square is equal to 7b square. Am I right? So you have write the value of a 7c, it will be 49c square is equal to 7b square. So if you cancel out 7 by 7, it will be 7c square. So right now with the help of theorem, 7 divide b square, then 7 divide b, correct? 7 divides b square, 7 divide b. Similarly, 7 is a common factor of a and b, correct? So which is a contradiction. Why it is contradiction? Because we have taken a and b are co-prime, there is no common factor, but here is 7 is common factor. So what we suppose, what we assumed, so it is contradictory. So this word is very important to prove this type of question, because this method is called contradiction method. So we declare here, we write the statement, our assumption is wrong, hence we conclude that root 7 is an irrational number. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please, you can watch my video free on YouTube, inspire and build confidence for the students around the world. Please like and subscribe my channel to learn concept of mathematics. Keep always a smile on your face. If you learn a concept, then laugh like a child, then take new question. Okay? So finally, all the best for your career. Thank you.